Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to connect Facebook Pixel with WordPress. So first of all, go to the Facebook Event Manager and then connect the data sources in web, and then select the Facebook Pixel and then click connect, and then install the Facebook plugin on WordPress. Log into your WordPress admin panel and then go to the plugins and add new and search for Facebook Pixel and install a plugin like Pixel Your Site or Official Facebook Pixel and configure the plugin. And after activation, go to the plugin settings and enter your Facebook Pixel ID, not the whole code of course, and then you're gonna save the changes. Going back to the Facebook Event Manager, verify the installation by adding the Facebook Pixel Help or Chrome extension, and visit your WordPress site to ensure the pixel is active. These steps will connect your Facebook Pixel with your WordPress site. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.